Hello everyone. So last night, I was just chilling and scrolling through reels. Like we all do. And bam, I found this awesome recipe that totally caught my eye. A gluten-free, guilt-free spinach wrap. It looked super easy and guess what? I had all the ingredients at home already. So I thought why not make it for lunch tomorrow? And here I am, bringing that recipe to life right here in Rabi's kitchen. Let's get cooking. Alright, here's what you will need. About 2 cups of fresh washed spinach leaves, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 eggs, or if you don't eat eggs, no problem. Use chickpeas flour instead. That's called besan in Hindi. 2 to 4 tablespoons of water. Add salt, just a pinch or to your taste. Now toss all that into a mixer or blender. Time to blend. You want a nice smooth green liquid, no chunk, just smoothie vibes. Looks kinda like a green magic potion, right? Now heat up a non-stick pan on low heat. Spray a little bit oil, just a tiny bit. Pour the green liquid and swirl it around like a pancake. Let it cook until top dries out. That's how you know it's getting ready. Now cover it up and let it cook for a few more minutes. Be patient. Good things takes time. Okay, now uncover and cook for another minute or two. Then time to flip it. Be super careful. This wrap is delicate. Oh, look at me. I messed it up a little. But that's okay. It will still taste amazing. I promise. Once both sides are cooked, take it out and place it on a plate or tray. You can even make a bunch of these and keep them in the fridge for later. Super handy. Now let's chop some veggies. You can use whatever you love. I've got lettuce, tomato, onion, bell pepper and jalapeno. Be creative. Add mushrooms, cucumbers, olives, anything you like. Time to dress up our wrap. Here I am adding a little mayo, some spicy mustard and touch of hot sauce. But you can use any dressing you love. Then a few slices of provolone cheese. All those colorful veggies, and if you want, you can even add some cold cuts or leftover grilled chicken. Sprinkle a little salt, pepper and oregano on top for extra flavor. And now let's roll it up. Ta-da! Here you have it. Your delicious, homemade, gluten-free and guilt-free spinach wrap. Perfect for lunch, dinner or even a snack. Okay, the moment of truth. Let's see how it tastes. Not bad, pretty good. This is really nice. It's soft, tasty, and such a good alternative to regular bread or tortilla. I'm definitely adding this to my regular diet. And the best part, no guilt at all. Alright friends, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to Robby Hobby. More fun, easy and tasty recipe coming your way. See you next time in Robby's kitchen. Stay happy, stay healthy, and keep cooking with love. It was satisfying.